Hello, my name is Caroline, and today I am going to talk about my hopes and plans for the future. Future. This year I am going to change some of my habits. I am going to pay more attention to my English, be more active, and be more organized with my students. I will also take better care of my health. I will stop being lazy and wake up early. I am going to balance my hour and my students without neglecting any of them. I will also spend more time with my love and mm, loved ones and focus more on my personal growth. In addition, I am going to practice English more to understand it better. Finally, I am going to set both personal and academic goals. Personally, I want to be a better person every day and find a clear path in my life. Academically, I will continue learning about psychology, understand different behaviors, behaviors, and apply how it learned. Thank you.